Horticultural research in a greenhouse feels like a puzzle, and you're trying to put those pieces together and figure out what's the problem here and how can I find that solution that's going to make this plant better, more economically viable, taste better, and potentially yield better. My name is Brandon Sher. I'm currently a first-year PhD student in the School of Plant and Environmental Sciences. I chose Virginia Tech because I heard about their really good hydroponics program, and I wanted to work with Dr. Mike Evans in the Controlled Environment Lab. I was always interested in edible crops and ways that we can feed people more efficiently. My project is on micro tomatoes. Tomatoes in general, depending on what report you read, they're the first or second most consumed vegetable worldwide. So a lot of people are really concerned of how do we keep up with the demand, and also how can we grow this cheaper so the price doesn't continue to go up for consumers at grocery stores. Micro-dwarf tomatoes are not a new invention at all. Researchers are using this as what's called a model plant. So you see a lot of data about these, but really not for yield or growth. And it was kind of through Virginia Tech and some other researchers that realized there may be something here that producers can actually use for greenhouse production. CEA is controlled environment agriculture. And what controlled environment agriculture is just growing any kind of crops in an indoor facility. And the system we have here is called nutrient film technique. We have these long gutters, plants sit in those, and the only material going through those gutters is a really shallow stream of water that has our nutrient charge in it. So these plants truly are growing in essentially all water. We have 16 different systems. Each system has its own tank. Each tank has a different kind of nutrient charge in it, that's what we're testing with this project. It kind of creates new opportunities to find different methods to make production better. In a field, you can be limited to a certain extent. In a greenhouse, especially through CEA, you can control temperature, lighting, humidity, so you can really manipulate all those environmental parameters to give the plant what it's looking for. Us as researchers, we're trying to find what those plants are looking for.